I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying something for the very first time today, and these are these tear away microfiber towels. So basically they come in these rolls here that look like paper towels, and you just kind of like tear it off like you would a paper towel, but these are actually reusable, which I think is pretty crazy because normally, as we all know, you use a paper towel, then you throw away. Look at that. That is like literally a proper microfiber towel. My thing is how well does it actually tear? Oh, look at it. It just wants to like tear itself. Look at that. Look at that. That is so crazy. And like, I'm clearly in shock right now. And let's see how like absorbent. This is meant to be like 10 times more absorbent than paper towels. So let's just make a big old mess right here. Wipe that. Yeah, it's so crazy. Wow, I'm like totally shocked. And then, okay, so obviously you tear these away. You see that and like, I'm not gonna throw this away. This is reusable. You just machine wash. It did say air dry or do it on like a low tumble, which I get, which we all know with microfiber in general. But like this 2-pack here, I can't even, there's like 40 in here and they have so many. This is like, there's 2 different colors here. We've got this like whitey cream. This one's like a grayish, but they come in like different sizes, different packs, different colors. So like if you have a certain color in your kitchen, you want it to match, it can match. Of course, you have the like hole right here. So if you have like a paper towel holder, you literally can just put that in here. It would be so hard for me to not just like go and grab a new one every single time. But you use this a few times and then like a sponge, after a while it starts to smell, or like a regular cloth, you just throw it in the washing machine and then go ahead and grab another one. This is so awesome. Again, super absorbent. I am so impressed. These are, look at that. Not even a drop left behind. These are awesome.